All right, boys and girls, I've got a group of blocks here in front of me. This is what I'm going to use for our lesson today. All right? Now, if you would like to join Miss S, you can get a group of 10 objects. So if you would like to go get 10 of something, feel free. I have 10. If you would like to go get a group of 10 of something around your house, go ahead. Miss S went and got 10 little chip clips, things that you can hold, close little bags or chip bags, okay? So Miss S went and got 10 of these. I want you to count with me just to make sure we're all correct and we have 10. Let's count and make sure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, boys and girls, when we're counting, we don't want to just try to go like this because I might skip some. It really helps if I touch each object, okay? Now, I'm going to put those chip clips aside, and I'm just going to use my blocks, okay? I'm going to count my blocks again just to make sure I didn't lose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So boys and girls, what we're going to do today is we are going to break this number 10 apart. Does anybody remember what that means when we break apart? Decompose. Very, very good. We are going to decompose the number 10. So I've got a couple number cards here, all right? And I'm going to choose a number card. The first number, what is this number? How many little chipmunks are there? There are 2. So what that means is I am going to take 2 of my blocks away. Do I have 2 blocks, boys and girls? Yes, I do. 1, 2. So that means how many blocks are in this group? I have one group with 2. So that means how many blocks are left in my other group? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what does that mean? 2 and 8 make 10. Very good, because if we put those groups back together, how many blocks do I have again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Great job. Okay, so I'm going to put these blocks back together. Now, what is it telling me on this card? How many little Mickey Mouse robots are there? 3. So that means, and this is the word 3, so that means I am going to make one group of 3. So I'm going to count my 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull those apart. I just want to check and make sure. How many blocks do I have over here? 1, 2, 3. All right. I've got 3. So if I have 3 blocks in this group, how many blocks do I have in this group? So can you count this for me? How many blocks are there? Very good. I have 7 blocks in this group. So what does that tell me? 3 and 7 make how many? If I put 3 and 7 together, how many does that make? 10. Very good. Let's make sure that we're right though. I put my 3 back with my 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job, boys and girls. My 3 and 7 make 10. You are doing awesome decomposing this number. We're going to do one more. So I've got my 10 back together. Let's see. How many characters do we see on this card? 4. Awesome job. And this is the word for. All right. So boys and girls, this time I want you to use the objects that you have in your house, that you got out from your house. I want you to follow along with me. Okay, so Miss S is going to do 2 groups. I'm going to do it 2 times. Okay, so our number is, what is it? It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of my groups is going to have 4. So I'll do it with my blocks first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to break apart my blocks. So now I've got 2 groups. One group of 4. And that means how many is in this group? Let's see. I'm going to do the same thing with my little clips over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, touching them helps me to make sure that I count correctly. So I've got 2 groups here and 2 groups here. How many blocks and clips are left in our group? How many clips are here and how many blocks are in this group? If we took 4 away from the 10. You do it, and I want you to count how many are in your next group. If you counted 6, you are correct. I have 4 in one group and 6 in my other group. Let me make sure that I have that in my clips. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips in one group. Let's count how many I have in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means if I have 4 blocks and 6 blocks and I put them back together, I get how many blocks? 10. Very good. What if I do my clips? The clips aren't the same as the blocks, but are they still the same number in each group? Let's see. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and I put them together with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips, how many do I get total? You count yours. How many total items do you have? Awesome, boys and girls. So we just saw with 2 different objects that we can put 4 and 6 together to make 10. Now, I have a question to challenge you. I have 10 clips here, and I have 10 blocks. If I have 10 blocks and 10 clips, how many total objects do I have? 10 and 10. Think about our 10 frames, boys and girls. If I have 2 10 frames full, how many do I have? You can count on Miss S's screen. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. So 2 groups of 10 equal 20. You are so smart, boys and girls. Now I want you to get on Splash Learn and practice some of the activities that I have on there for you. Great job.